What's up, everybody? Let's talk how to do grades. So I'm going to have this spreadsheet set up. That's going to be the announcement that you'll see that you've read to get here. And I'll repost with that how to log back in to see your quizzes. And if you ever need trouble with that, let me know. They should all be set up so that you can go back and not only see the grades, but see like how you did in them, question by question, right? So what you'll do, both courses, this is going to work for both the courses I'm running right now have 7 segments. They're different, right? But there's 7 segments for each. There's a discussion for each and a midterm final for each. So what you're gonna do is just pop your grades in here. Now I didn't release this right away because when you just put one segment quiz in there, it makes all the formulas crazy. So it's not until you get to your second quiz. Let's say you got a 75 on that one, and everything will then start to look normal and fill in. So we've made it that far, and then this week you're about to start your third. So this is set up like we talked about at the beginning of the year, where the lowest one gets dropped, which is why the formulas go crazy when there's only one. This should be your average of your segment quizzes. So you can see with those two, the lowest gets dropped, and it's just an 85. Say we do a little, let's say oh man, we really messed that one up. That should just be the average of the 85 and the 75, right? That works. What else? Midterm grade, you'll just chuck right in here. All right, let's hopefully we did good there. 85. Discussions, I grade those really liberally. If you're participating, you're going to be fine. And I've emailed a couple of people that I wanted to like boost up a tiny bit, and there's still a couple that aren't doing anything. If you're not doing anything, I suppose you're going to run out of points. But if you haven't jumped on board, they're fairly easy to do, and they can just be easy points. So if you've tossed a few thoughts around in there, let's assume you're getting an 8 on that. All right. So what this will give us, this is our running average after the midterm, but before the final. And these are all the equations. So if you go and you type in those boxes, you're going to mess this all up. But you can just go re-download it again, I suppose. This will be the average of your midterm and final. So that's going to look low until you actually take a final grade. But what people liked to do in the past was kind of pretend, oh, what am I going to get on the final? What if I get a 75? Then it's all going to look like this. So that box for your approximate, it's got to be off by a bit, running average before you get to the final, and then this would be your final grade once everything's in. And then you can do the same thing, like say what happens if I miss that quiz and then I get a 95 on that one. You know what I mean? So check that out. That will help. And again, if you don't know how to get back into the quizzes, there'll be instructions there in the announcement, but check that out. Go back and see those, and you should be able to do all your grades. Last thing I'll say before making this all blank again is that you're going to have to make your own copy of this, because if you go and try to edit it, Google Docs is going to say, you don't have privileges for that. Otherwise, everybody else would see your grades, right? So you're just going to make your own copy of this, then play with it to your heart's content, and see how it goes. All right, everybody, let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.